This one was a patron vote winner, and the theme was Latin artists, and of course this woman is so iconic. It's Gloria Estefan. Before we start, I am releasing an album. Woohoo! I'll put a little picture of it up here, and it is available for pre-order now. I'd love if you could check it out or go and pre-save on Spotify. All the links are in the description.
We're gonna put a new carpet in here, so don't worry about it. Remember this? 3 steps.
I
This
love
way.
it.
Come on, boys. Come on.
It's the Conga! I wish I had like some sort of percussion instrument.
Gather round now. Let your body feel the heat.
Woo!
Don't you worry if you can't dance. Let the music move your feet. Move your feet. It's the rhythm of the island. And like sugar cane so sweet, yeah.
Love
You
that.
want to do the conga. You've got to listen to the beat.
So, before we get into this amazing start of a drum solo, I'll probably go back on that bit. She has one, of course, fantastic rhythm. You really hear that, and that's so important in dance music, so that you can dance along and groove. If she's a bit behind or a bit in front, then it makes you feel out of time. And she has such a warm voice. She's an alto voice, and it's kind of unusual because I associate that agility with higher voices, but yet she has that warmth that carries you through and makes you feel safe so that you can kind of dance within it. It's so interesting that different voices evoke different feelings, and hers definitely just makes you feel like, yeah, you're so warm and lovely. Your voice is so lovely and warm that, yeah, I'm happy to dance along. Woo! Woo!
There it goes. There goes the conga line. I love you.
Oh my god, this is so fun.
Feel the fire.
Like, my cheeks hurt.
As you dance the night away.
Check her vowels there. Desire, or instead of and closing onto the and kind of putting your tongue up in a little hook like this, or pulling your tongue back. Some people form R's in different ways. She is saying desire, so like a schwa sound, an in-between vowel sound. And that just makes it a little bit easier.
'Cause tonight we're
And she's shimmying.
gonna party.
It's important.
See the break of day. Better get yourself together and hold on to what you got. But the music is your system. There's no way you're gonna stop.
Okay, I love that. Stop. She made that really short and sharp so you get the stop. But a lot of those ends are together. It's like a slide down, and it's said, and she just slides down onto it's a note, almost an octave, I think. Quite far. She's also when she goes down in those notes, there's a little grace note up onto each one. So instead of it has these little pushes and scoops up onto them. Ooh, good breaths. So cool that all the instrumentalists are getting their time. I will be in that conga line, I tell you. feel like I'm so uncool when I dance. So I want to tell you, before this, right in the 1990s, she was in a near fatal bus accident, and she thought that was going to be the end of her career, and had to undergo surgery and rehabilitation for over a year before she could get up, dance, sing, and she's just, she's so full of life. It's so wonderful to see someone who's gone through something that is obviously massively life-changing and to come through and just be like, you know what? I'm going to enjoy and soak each little pearl, each little moment of joy out of life. That is what I hope to do. Woo! Yeah, it's quite hot here. I feel the heat. My toes are tapping. Ah. Those little scoops again. It's so amazing. Those she's not running out of breath. Her breath support is and she's dancing along. One, she must be cardiovascularly very fit, because to move around like that and to be able to breathe is really difficult. But two, I think she's done a lot of work on her breathing, and it's something that we can all we're all doing pretty well, we're all alive, but it's something that we can all work on a bit. Maybe not her, she's already amazing, but she has this ability to keep those phrases going and just take these tiny little sips of breath. What often happens is, as we take these sips, our body kind of fills up with CO2 and we're not letting all that air out because you're singing through it. So it can feel a little bit uncomfortable at first, and through exercise and through singing you can higher your CO2 threshold so that you get a bit more used to that feeling, and then when she gets a moment she really, really does breathe. So I hopefully she'll breathe in a moment. It's amazing, actually. She's taking loads of breaths on, like, no, you can, but she's so fluid with it that it's absolutely silent, and often you'd hear someone go, no, you can't. I mean, I would. I know that that is something that I would struggle with. So she has her breath support is incredible. Thank you, Gloria. That was so fun, and I think often we mistake things that are fun for not high art, and I cannot say more that she is so skilled. The complexity in the music, in the rhythms, and all those instrumentalists, it was so beautifully done, and the skill required to move around like that, as well as the charisma. There's just so much going on. It's fantastic. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.